mga anti-kadayers, welcome back to the vlog. Good morning, good morning. Ang oras alas 8:20 dito sa Thailand, sa Wadika. Nag-ready lang ako, so aalis na tayo. We're going to airport soon. And on the way to Philippines. Akong kauban din. Ako pa kaya nag-6 kaya akong kauban. So nagkuhan lang ako kay murag kong nalipong. Murag feel ako nalipong ko sa tubig. Unsa ba murag iba yung ano ko sa tubig day. But yes, I'm so excited in today's ganap. Finally. Nag-stop over kami sa Thailand 1 day lang mga antikels kasi may inasikaso lang si asawa na mga business niya sa buhay. So, see you soon mamaya sa airport and nakapag-pack na kami. Everything is ready. My love, are you ready? My love, could you make ready now? It's already 21. So, yes, see you soon, Manila. And we are going to Puerto Galera. Baka meron tayong mga viewers dyan. And hopefully maganda ang weather natin, no? Kay murag dili kaayo excited ang ato ang weather forecast sa Pilipinas karon kay sige daw og ulan og sige bagyo. But it's okay. It's okay, baby. Finally makikita na ang Pilipinas. I'm so excited. So, yeah. Prepare muna ako and then inom ng gamot. Ayan mga antikels, let's go. Check muna natin yung kuan. Wala na pa tayong mga. Wala na. Toothbrush you have. Key. What my love?
You have the toothbrush.
Yeah, I have the toothbrush. Okay.
Where's the other cat?
Here, in my hands. Papi, papi. Papi chulo. Arriba, arriba, arriba.
Hello.
Morning.
Your cat?
I give it to you.
No, you didn't.
Really? I didn't give it to you?
No.
Na may Alzheimer ang inyong antikels.
Okay, call a taxi now?
Yeah, please. We go outside. Bilis ting-ting. Bye, Bangkok! So, andito na kami ngayon sa taxi and we are going to airport. Paabanti ta ni day. Basig ha. Ako pa ani nga driver ba na nervous na ko. Dari oh.
One way. Okay.
See you to Philippines, my love.
Where you going?
Philippines.
Manila.
Philippines, Manila.
Yes.
Philippines.
Yes.
Manila.
Yeah.
Manila.
Annoyingly.
So, maaga kami ngayon kasi morning ba kasi ang traffic. Mag-start ang traffic. So at least meron tayong time kung anong mga ka-etche-boritche doon sa airport. Ayan, tapos na kami nag-check-in. Uy, may mechanic ko. Mechanic ko ang makina ni Manik ko. Punta na kami sa kuan kining tawag ani immigration. Asa kang immigration ani? First time pa naman namin dito. Dito siguro may labo. Immigration departure. Ay, tuknaw. Tuknaw dahil parang nilalamig ako, antikils. Parang nilalamig. Sa malamig na malamig. Are you okay? See you soon, Philippines! Foreign passport. So, immigration muna tayo ha. Ngayon na tayo mag-vlog kay basi-basi tata. Ayan mga antikils, katatapos ko lang nag-coffee. And let's go to the boarding area. Kasi boarding na namin ngayon. Let's go. Are you the or what? I go walk the. You know. Ah, 12:10 tayo. Panikakuan, hindi takalakaw. Kaya yung isa, wala wifi. Punta na tayo sa gate. May subway dito. May subway dito, Zoe. 22. Kasi napabugan niya akong na. Permente dyan may mag-away ano ni Habi basta adto na og boarding. Kaya di na siya ganahan mo adto og sayo. Ay, ang buti mo dudong eh. Kalayo sa 25 eh. Gamay ra lagig tao diri sa Don Moeng. Dito sa Pikas perting daghana. Puno. International kuan man gud pud to. New plane ba? Ay. Masakit yung bukton ko. Ano kayang nangyari dito sa sirens ko? Dito na tayo sa gate, mga Zay. Yung boarding. This I'm bikini. Stay with the song. Stay with the song. Boarding ng mga antikils. I'm so excited sa you sa Philippines. So, nandito na ako sa loob, pero ang saka na si
According to the seat numbers shown on your
hindi
boarding
kami
passes.
magkasabay ni
We discourage
Mr.
unauthorized changing of seats due to the aircraft's weight and balance restrictions. Secure your large carry-on baggage in the overhead compartments and small items under the seat in front of you. Thank you.
Marilyn Mino. Ermita. Guys, andito na kami ngayon sa Manila. Finally, tungtong lagi ko Manila Airport. Mali ni Manila. Dahil daghanan ko. Ito ba yung na-accidente dito? Oh. Uy, ginoo ko. Uy lang, basig mabudol ta din ha?
Ano lang kayo, ma'am? Help you, sir?
No, it's okay.
Wala na unit. Punta mo. Wait, naman ako ulit.
Ay, teka, magkano po pa Ermita?
Malate po.
Malate.
Ang name sa hotel?
Oh, you're okay.
Ma'am, kaso lang naman. Oh, alam po namin yun, ma'am. Eurotel. Malate. Oo, ma'am. Naglit lang. Malate. Mas babas ba yan? Ito, ma'am. Oh, Malate, Adriatico. Ito yung mga kotse, mga Innova, ma'am. Dito, ma'am, binabayaran niyo, ma'am, yung safety na. Lahat ng pasahero po. Wala na pong ano dito. Kayo sa labas, dami-dami siguro.
1,000.
1,700 po. Nakapix na po yan. Lahat na po kayo may masakyan natin mo. Hoy, nagpinangalan sa unit ha. 1,700. Sa unit, tatlo lang to. Baka maubunan na sa yan.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, official taxi, sir. Your safety na sa registered. All passengers, sir. Sir, going down maybe 30 to 40 minutes. Traffic. Hard traffic.
There's one there. Oh.
Taxi, ma'am.
Taximeter.
Wala pong meter dito, ma'am.
Airport taxi, ma'am. Hindi po kayo dito.
Saan ba kayo?
We go out and flag one down on
No,
the
you
road.
cannot. My love is not allowed. Oh, ayan, mga antikels. Nandito na kami sa hotel. And then, alam nyo ba na nabudol kami, day? 1,600 yung nabayad namin sa taxi. Suko kayo, Dudong. What you can say, first day in Manila. 1,600.
For the taxi, half an hour.
Yeah, he said my love
Total
is...
mafia.
He said my love is too much, dude, the guy.
Yeah, of course, I can figure that one. It's 5 times more than what we paid from Mactan Airport to Cebu City per kilometer and minute. 5 times more in the same country. Pure mafia.
Liso jud siya, antikels. Basta ganyan, gali no
How
dapat.
can the government even allow this?
Ay, wala na tayong mabuhat. Kaya na ta diri dong nakaabot na ta. So let's start the day. Hi guys!
Nanay kay
Welcome
Mike.
to Ermita. It's very Ermita here. Pero
Doon naging ka.
Ha?
Sige, go.
Musunod siya?
Dili.
Ito na, gibiyaan na to sa...
Dapat, ulay front.
Click.
Hi, guys.
Hoy, ang microphone nasa ko ah. Hi guys! Welcome to Ermita, Cebu. Oh, Manila. Robinson. Wala, pangalawang beses ko dito, Day. Pangalawang beses.
I think it's
2 times.
5-6 years ago we were here.
Yeah. My first visa. My first visa, my love. Schengen visa. When is that? Yun yung pinaka ano.
We have been here one time since also, haven't we? Yeah, we did. We
Basig.
went 2 times too. We went on your first trip,
Yeah.
and
First.
then we went again.
No, because we went to Bangkok for my second visa.
Sana, oy. Nasa na mga visa? Wala.
Sa mukha.
Visa, baka naman.
Ay, my love, maybe they have sandal here, my love. For you.
Japanese bakery. Oh, no loss.
French bakery, maybe we should search.
Oh, that's where it was before. Yeah.
Then we can ask. Maybe they move. I-search daw lang. So, naghanap kami ng Friends Bakery. Kasi itong isa, hindi naman ito siya French.
Son.
Wait, we have to search, my love.
Son.
Friends, Ermita. Na?
Adriatic Owing.
Asa man na? My love, asa naman ka, my love?
Adriatic Owing.
Mangutan na ta. Hindi ka mawala. Ah, sa guard, mangutan na ta. Hoy, wait, wait! Ay, kato siguro, oh.
Saan po yung The French Baker? Ay!
Dala sa may supermarket.
Sa loob?
Oo, sa harap lang.
Sa harap?
Supermarket, oh. Yan.
Uy,
Supermarket.
thank you. It's, oh, it's over there. Buta man ta. Takdan ta ning isa nga. It's in front in the grocery store. It's in front in the grocery store. So they move it. Nasa harap ng supermarket. What about us, my love? I want to eat rice.
Rice, yeah, of course, what else?
Yeah, we are in the Philippines. I said I want to eat rice.
I didn't eat anything all day, so
Yeah.
I want to get to some section.
Gusto ko niyan, oh. Ba, nalitsyon. Nalitsyon lang.
Ay, nag-record.
Isa? Ang daming tao dito. Hindi ako nag-expect. Parang Manila, murag Manila! I'm in Manila! Hindi ko
Ayag ka.
Ha?
Ayag ka dirita.
Hindi ko masyadong ano yung Manila dun. Kay daming tao, parang nakakalula. Ningaw ka na ko lang. Kailan mo na, guys? Kato nang nakapasar, guys. Yung maestra, guys, nga what about their my love? Maybe they have kuan.
What's that?
Coffee shop. Maybe.
No, that's Indian food then. First floor is upstairs.
Ah, tama. Nalibog siya. Nalito siya dahil kaya ang sa Europe, ang first floor kay second floor man.
Oo, tama.
Kay ang sa first floor, kuan mong god, ganing parking area.
First floor nila kay ground floor.
So, andito kami ngayon sa Pizza Hut. Favorite hut ni Mister. Meron din siyang favorite place doon sa Cebu. Hala na sila yung rice.
How about we take regular and we can order some other things?
Yeah.
Super supreme regular. But why there's three different prices?
That's the size. No, that's the size.
French
And this is the flavor. This is a size. Personal, regular, large, and there's a flavor.
That's not very clear.
Huh? This is the size.
That's
The
not
price.
clear what we get.
And this is the flavor. What do you like? You want the pan, yeah? You want the pan?
Yeah, with the high crust.
Yeah.
So it's the pan we order.
Yeah. And then what else, my love?
Yeah, let's eat that first to see how much more hungry I am.
What about some chicken? Pizza Hut. Wa may gipanggutom dayo pa-char-char niya mo diri snack gabi nako. Pinagkaon naman mi daan. Pero ang ako yung gustong tilawan lang kaya katong litson. Dami tong litson no. Oh,
The one in Cebu, small, close to here.
so ayan, balik na kami sa room dahil kumain lang kami. Ipanggutom ang mga chicken. And ang ako dahil hinihingal. And then nawala namin. May detachilon. Wala na ni detachilon diri. Decathlon. Bigathlon. Oh, kaling bigathlon ay. Robinson or Meta. Lipong ka? Lipong, oy. Caramba.
Ay. Ay.
Ay, naku, anong check extra bed?
Sige na, ikaw nagtanglak tayo.
Unya na, pandaras ang aircon.
Ay, apa, wifi ba?
Naman to diyang password.
Well.
Tanaw daw sa bag na ko.
You're where I belong.